She's a natural on camera. She really likes it. You did that!
And this woman slept together. He was 21. She was 42. 6 months later, the affair ended when the young man slept with someone else. Not just any someone else, the woman's only daughter. As if things needed to get more complicated, 3 days later, the daughter married a different guy. No one was aware of the bride's little fling. No
What?
one, that is, except her mother. That could have been the end of the story, but it wasn't. The following spring, a book was
She likes
published.
the TV too.
The author was a classmate of the young man. Not the groom, the other one. You know, the one who slept with the mother and the daughter? Names were changed, but that didn't stop all of
Oh,
Pasadena from doing
there's